I've been having this idea to recreate Pinterest outfits using thrifted pieces. I am always on Pinterest and I am always at the thrift store, so I was like, why not combine the two? And that is what we are doing today. I have a couple of ideas on what I want to thrift today, or rather the outfits that I want. This is the vibe that I'm going for. I'm going for business, kind of official looks. The shirts, the sweaters, the trousers, and all that. That is exactly what I want to do. So I am going thrifting and trying to find these pieces, and I hope it turns out really good. So let's see how this pans out. At the thrift store, I started off at the textile section. This is where I usually get my fabrics from, and on this day everything was at 75 bob, so I didn't have much options, and the pieces that were there were a bit small, but they had really cute prints. Now I went on and I found these sweaters at a random station and I decided to check them out, but that is not exactly why I was here. I wanted to check out some tops, some trousers, some shirts, some dresses, some skirts, something that was official. And honestly, on this day the official trousers section was not at its best, but let me just say the denim section ate down. If you are a small size babe, thrift stores are a good place, but for us on this day I didn't find much, but most of my jeans are from this place. Now the skirt section had a nice collection. I didn't find what I was looking for. I was looking for like maxi fitted kind of skirts, and on this day they had either too small, too short, or too big for me, but this skirt right here was magical. The only reason I didn't take it home with me is because it was a bit too tight and I didn't know if I could get much outfits out of this. The scarf section usually has anything that you need. Went on to the sweater section, and this is another section that never ever disappoints. Look at that grandpa vest. Yes, the only reason I didn't come home with this is because I will just style it for this video and never wear it again, and that is not exactly what I want. Now these sweaters are usually really nice quality from this place, and I love thrifted sweaters so much. Now on the dresses section, I was looking for something official. I rarely shop dresses, but this day I wanted something good, and I moved on to the shirt section because again, anything that is official starts off with a shirt, and that is what I wanted to check out. Look at all those colors. Now this place is magical. Let's go home and see what we have. This is everything from the thrift store. Let me just say it's a lot in here, not that much, but I got pieces that I can work with. Let's start with the haul and then we can create the outfits. I'm going to start off with the textile part, and I got this beautiful red linen piece, and I'm going to turn it into something extremely beautiful, and you will want to see that, so make sure to subscribe down below and we can create that together. From the scarf section, I got 3 pieces. This tiny black piece that I'm going to use so much. This printed one, and it has so many colors it can match with a lot. And this pink one because, you know, I love pink. From the sweater section, I got 2 pieces. This half sweater, or rather vest. I love how this fits, and I absolutely love this. It's cream, not white. Top section, I only got 2 tops. This shirt right here, it's an official shirt that is also a bodysuit, and I love that. I also got this green asymmetrical top, and I didn't have so many options when it comes to tops, and I hate that. From the skirt section, I got this bias skirt, and this is exactly what I wanted, and this color is just heavenly. From the trousers, I only got this one pair of official trousers, and navy blue is one of the most essential colors, especially when you're styling workwear. Again, that beautiful navy blue color. This is a very beautiful dress. I don't think I own one of these, and absolutely love this. So I know I do not have so many options here, but I'm going to try and create at least 4 or 5 outfits just so that it can run through the week. Okay, so this is the first outfit. I have the shirt on and this dress. And let me just say, the length of this dress is so pretty. The fitting is so nice. It's not that tight. Yeah, I love this so much. So let's accessorize. Love, 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 love this so much. Yeah, I can wear this different ways. I can wear the dress with all these other pieces, and I love this type of outfit. I have not worn this in a while, so it feels kind of new to me, but I love it so much. This is the second outfit, and I know it doesn't look like much, but that is where accessories come in. I am wearing the bias skirt, and I love the color so much. And I'm not quite sure about this tone of white with the brown, but let's style this. This is how we're looking. I absolutely feel so comfortable. I love this, and if you know me, you know I really wear skirts. And I'm trying to get into skirts, and this is an outfit that I can actually go out in because I feel comfortable and I feel like I look good and put together. And these are the heels. I love how they look with this outfit. I absolutely love this piece so much. But I have a bonus outfit with this skirt, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so this is the third outfit, and this is just a very basic work outfit. I know that, but I want to accessorize and see if it's nice and all. I'm looking for some sort of this vibe. This is what I have going on. These are the shoes on. And I feel this outfit looks so beautiful. On a Monday morning, this would look absolutely gorgeous. We have that feminine touch, but it is still structured enough for that official look, and absolutely et down with this. This is the vibe I was going for, and nailed it. Nailed it. Okay, so this is the second look with these trousers, and I love this so much. I know it's not much of an official look, but I love this. I love this. So for shoes, I would definitely pair this outfit with these beautiful shoes right here. Yeah, these are the shoes. Absolutely love them, and this is the outfit. I would just throw on a trench coat on top just to bouge it up a bit so that we can see that big shoulder, but not really. And yeah, I love this piece right here. It makes it more casual, more elegant. I don't know, but I love this so much. The colors. Okay, so this is the bonus outfit, and the colors are magical. Let me just say that. The colors are magical. This is the same brown skirt that I wore and the same top that I wore. I have paired this outfit with the same strappy heels that I wore, the leopard strappy heels. And this is more of a dinner outfit. It makes me feel so grown. I don't know. I absolutely love this so much, and this is a very elegant vibe. This is the vibe I'm going for again. Yeah, I love this so much. I feel like I have very important things to do, and on the other side I feel like I'm ready to catch up with my friends, laugh, have a very good night. Yeah, so this is the final outfit that I have from all of this. I need you to tell me your favorite outfit, because as for me, I feel like the first outfit still carries everything, as well as this outfit. I love this combo. Those are my top 2 outfits. Let me know which are your favorites in the comments, and you can give me a vibe that I can look for on Pinterest so that we can create such outfits. If that is your style, you can let me know in the comments so that we can find outfits that are your style. I feel like there's so many styles out there that I've never explored, and I want to explore them with this series. So yeah, Also, if you want to see more of me, kindly subscribe, like this video, and let me know what exactly you love about this video, and nothing much. Yeah, I'm hoping to see you in my next video. Bye.